You know what germs are?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes, no.
The little bugs.
Bright and pretty.
They're killer bugs.
Are you planning to go to college? Oh, he's too busy.
Too many long words in them.
I don't really need them.
Too much book learning for me.
I think that I'm genuinely secretarial work.
Towels folded and hung to dry.
No ring around the tub. The basin rinsed and clean.
Your likes and dislikes are similar to those of successful women.
Radioactive dust, radioactive canned goods from radioactivity. Radioactive radioactivity. Radioactive radioactivity. Radioactive radioactivity. Radioactive radioactivity. Radioactive
Disease will be able to get started.
Creeping epidermophytosis.
Infections like this,
Ringworm, dermophytosis, tinea.
chapped hands can the care of the skin is so important. Seems that he has a problem tonight.
explosions.
She rubs gently all over.
Explosions.
You really have two skins?
I want to do something now.
The skin more comfortable.
Girls are preferred.
Because it looks better that way.
But Mr. Adams,
Some of the work is not so simple.
I want to become a stenographer. I'm secretary of the freshman class. I was elected president of my campfire group. I read and prepared an article on the American Indians for the School Historical Society. I was social chairman in my church. I was county leader at camp.
Have you actually visualized yourself in a secretarial position?
Lie under the table.
Really advanced, Claire.
Start at the bottom and work up.
It gives you that tingling feeling that feels so good.
Explosion. It is not uncommon to find men doing this type of work. Wash the exposed areas. Wash the exposed areas. Wash the exposed areas. Wash.
I want to wash.
Their children are normal.
As you grow more mature,
Explosion.
At least 4 times a day.
Explosion.
Goodbye. 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 Goodbye.